my cutiepies, this is Priya. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to do this summer makeup look. So with normal brown eyes and with plumpy glossy lips. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Aloe vera gel as a primer. I have another primer. So here we have this Wet n Wild matte primer. I'm going to apply this as my primer. So this is such good primer and it's matte. I'm from oily skin type, so I've chosen the matte one. It is available in dewy also, which is for dry skin type. So just applying the primer to the areas that is needed, and then I'm going to blend like this and then tap it. That's it. You're not going to do any other stuff. And yeah, after application of primer, you should wait for 2 minutes or so, and then you should go with the another step, which is your base. So let's go wait for 2 minutes. So after I waited for a while, now I'm taking this darling Isabella concealer stick, which is in the shade It's Warm Base Your Highness. It has the pinkish undertone to it. I'm going to apply this under my eyes and around my mouth. I look like a jogger now, but believe me, it really works. And then around my nose and upon my forehead. That's it. And then, you know the game, you're going to blend this out. I'm taking a blender and I'm going to blend this into the skin. But if you don't have pinkish undertone, basically for Indians you have yellow undertone. But yeah, a few people have pinkish undertone also. You can use this one. There are many shades in this, but I think all of them are with pinkish undertone. I think once please search. It's affordable and yet it's very good. If you watch my foundation routine video, I told you one trick, that is look up and blend your concealer. That really helps. So that's how you gotta do it. I'll link that video also in the I button or in the bottom bar. And then as a base product, here I'm using this CC cream in the shade Honey Butter Americano, and it's like a liquid kind of a cream. It's in between. It's like a semi kind of a thing. Yeah, but it's too liquidy like water, but it's cream. Once you use it, you will get this, what I'm saying. If you use this, you will know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take a little bit more. I'm taking a brush to get maximum coverage from this product. And so basically, as we are using this look for summers, you should use something which is very light on your skin. Keep that in your mind. Don't go with heavy coverage foundations and everything or for your day-to-day basis while a look in summers. So you gotta do it very light products, because in summer you gotta sweat a lot. No matter whom you are, you'll get a sweat. So as you gotta wear makeup and go out, so keep that in your mind. You should use something which is very lightweight rather than using something like high coverage and heavy weighted foundations. To be honest, I'm a person who uses foundation on day-to-day basis, but for summer, I don't even touch foundations for day-to-day basis while I look in summers, because oh my god, I can't bear it. Always keep in mind that if you're using a blender to blend your foundation or anything, it's going to absorb a little bit of product. But whereas if you're using a brush, it won't absorb any product. It will give you the maximum coverage out of the product. I'm taking this COVERGIRL Natural Compact and I'm going to apply this all over my face. And basically I'm from oily skin type, and that too it's summer. So you know the game that I should apply compact like shit loads of it. Then for eyeshadow, here we have the American Light color contour eyeshadow palette, and there we're going to take this particular brown color because it suits for all outfits. not just one. So I prefer this one. But then for blush and highlight, we are going to take this Americano Sochiki palette and we're going to obvious everyday and regular use blush and highlighter. So I'm going to apply the blush and highlighter and then I'll see you. And then for lips, here we have this D gloss. It's a gloss, it's not a lipstick. So I bought this from Australia. So we're going to apply this onto our lips. Hope you loved this video. If you didn't, please do click the like button, share, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Till then, take care.